Hello. It's Saturday. Today's December 20th. I needed this day. Today's a very special day because today I'm installing my micro locks. I am locking my hair. I am taming the mane. I guess people talk about their hair histories. You don't really want to know about that. You don't care? Okay. My hair has been natural since I've been 19. Just like a lot of people that look like me, that's about my age. We start in our early childhood, with our natural hair, and then boom, we get them perms, we get the relaxers, and it kind of dies from there. It dies from there. We don't know how to maintain and grow our own natural hair the way that it grows out of our head. So 19, I went natural, and that's the way it's been ever since. I learned how to make my own products and stuff, and that's what I would use. More recently, 30, I had some braids in, and it took me 8 hours to take them out and to detangle my hair after that. And it never takes me that long. I never had them type of issues. I was already considering locking my hair anyway. It was just gonna be a matter of time. And after that, as the seventh hour hit, I was like, it is the time. I'm not doing this. So today is a perfect day. Right now, my hair has just been kind of out like this for a few days. I had some plaits, I released them, and I just been slipping back that headband. I've been doing that. I know my hair is gonna absolutely love these locks because anytime I have like mini braids or mini twist in, I get a lot of growth really fast. That's actually how I was able to catch up from a little situation I had last year. I can gauge where I am now. So this is my one side. It didn't really get cut, last year when I had this situation. This side has really come a long way. I'm very proud because this is the one that got hacked. So it's about maybe, I'm gonna say like a 2-inch difference. It's like later in the afternoon. I kind of have like 2.5 days where I need to have this done. I'm not willing to stay up all night doing this. No. What I will do is go ahead and section it all out into bigger plaits, do as many sections as I can, and then I'm pinning it all up under a wig tomorrow for church. I'm not, just ain't that because I'm already kind of tired. But anywho, I've got my beverage, laptop right here. I'm in a comfy chair. And I'm gonna watch some Tubi, probably yell at Tubi while I'm doing this. Oh, sorry. Wish me well though. I'll be back. So I've only blow dried half of my head, and I'm getting tired. I'm gonna go heat up the rest of my coffee from earlier, and I will just talk to you tomorrow. I'm gonna do the best I can, and I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. So this is day 2.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me, I remember.
This is what I could get done. This is what happened. I'm cranking into it now. I'm locking in. If I could get the majority of this, like around here, just maybe just the crown is not done tonight, you know, we're gonna try again. Also, I'm really trying to be more defined with my parts. I think I was overdoing it with like the pattern and having this come around. I'm just gonna simply break it up, just like if I was just doing mini braids or mini twists to last in my head. I'm gonna just break it up. Got my hydration here, a little liquid IV. I'm gonna lock in. Oh wait, this light's probably better. Okay, so yeah, this is where I am. I'm not gonna lie to you, I could probably go further, but I'm not going to, because I don't want it to become like burdensome in my mind. Like, I don't want it to become like an overwhelming task and it's like drudge work. I don't want that. I want to enjoy the process. Right now, you know, I'm enjoying it. So this is 4 rows. I did not know the size. I had to kind of just do it to know what size I wanted. This is the size. This is the size I'm excited. So there are 2 right here. There's 2 bigger ones that obviously will be cut. We cut in half. And I got 2 the very bottom hanging. I don't even know what I'm showing you right now. I'm just very excited. Look at that. Because I wasn't even really caring, like, to have an extra crisp grid. Let me tell you something. Natural hair, if it's moisturized, it looks good. Like, your part could be off and all the sides could be different. If it's moisturized, it looks good. If it's healthy, it looks great. So I wasn't really worried about that. I'm probably really close to you right now. Let me stifle my excitement. Hold on. Just gonna roll these other sections up, bonnet it, and come back to it tomorrow. Hi. So it's actually it's January 1st, 2026. Hello, happy new year. And I'm finishing now. The front, I guess I can take it loose. The front is done. Oh wait, okay. Lighting issues. So this is the front. So for me not having a perfect grid, the front looks pretty good. Love that. I have the back split into like quarters. So this side, I don't, I'm probably not showing it to you properly. But this side is done. And then this section right here, this little quarter right here, it's not done. This is my crown area and it's very dense. So that is what I'm working on right now. And then the back, like the lower part of the back. But yes, it is the first day of the new year, but we're getting it done. I'm so excited to have this done. Like, yes, like this is so good. This is just so good. You know, it took me a while, but I'm not hating it. I'm not instantly going in with like a negative mindset about it because I just forced myself to just do it, just get it done, I didn't want that. I actually don't have time for that now. I don't want to do nothing like that because it's probably just not even worth doing if I just gotta. I just took the Western jig out. Let me spin around. I'm tired. Again, I don't know how many there are. I'll never know how many there are. I don't even know what I'm showing you. So, my plan for these, keep these braids in for like, I guess a couple weeks since this part is a little bit older. These sides are older than the rest of it. Maybe like another 2 weeks. and then I'll wash my hair, and then I'll interlock it. I'll just go to like the hair store, and they have a lock brush, I'll get it. If not, I'll get it from Amazon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll treat it just like my loose hair, to where like I was making my own products and my own treatments and stuff like that. I do have work in the morning. I'm about to go to sleep. It's finally done. We're happy that I didn't cut my hair a little bit ago, because I did have to cut this side. It grew back. I had to cut that thing down. I had to cut it down. It was anywho, it caught up enough for me. It caught up enough for me. Only you and I know that the lengths are different. Yeah. I know I said I'm going to bed. I am going to bed. I'm just pulling it back up, because lately, you know, with the part that's been done, I've just been bunning it, and I take it down and just fall in the morning. But I'm just kind of like marveling at how much hair I have. Like, genuinely, I had to cut this side like down, like cut it. Like I was wearing a scarf, you know, barely stretching that into fit into some like basically protective style, and trying to give that side a chance to catch up with the rest of my hair. But pulling all this up, it's like that never even happened. God is a restorer, okay? Joel 2:25, y'all. God is a restorer. Even of the little stuff.